In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 1 of Excel. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Okay, then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 1G regional sales assignment. We just make that bold and change its color so it must be visible. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. So in today assignment we have 17 points. Okay, and last one is a non-graded one in which we have to save, close workbook, then submit for grading. So we have just 16 points in today assignment. So let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me, you will get E grade 100% marks. So remember that today assignment name is Excel 1G regional sales. Here is project description. We just make that bold and change its color so it must be visible. So in this Excel project, you will create a new worksheet that compares annual sales to specialty store in US by origin. Okay, so that was just simply project description, so we have to read that one so we can get idea that what we have to do in today assignment. Okay, well, let me start today assignment. The steps to perform, then instructions. Open the file student Excel 1G regional sales download with this project. Okay, we have already downloaded this file. Okay, so we just simply open that one. Here is that file. Here is, we have to open that one. We call that solution file also. Okay, then what we have to do, so first part is done in which we have to simply open that one. Now we are moving toward next part. Change the verbal theme to retrospect. Now we have to change its theme to retrospect. For that we have to click on page layout theme, and in theme we have to find where there is retrospect. Okay, then if there is one condition, if a retrospect theme is not available on your computer, okay, then in theme gallery, click browse for theme and then select the theme latest theme from your download project file. Yeah, we have already in our download file. You may see here. Okay, so if that is not available in your computer, then you have to add that one. Then simply get that one. How can you add that one? Just follow me. Okay, for that click on theme, then browse for theme. Okay, you have to click on browse for theme, desktop, then this one, and there is that theme. Select this one, then open, so that will be the part of your theme gallery. Okay, so question number one, question number two is almost done. Half is remaining. Select column E to H. Okay, first we have to select column E to H, then set column width to 14. Okay, so now we have to first we have to select that one, and then right click, where is column width, here is column width, and then select 14. Simply press OK. So question number two is done. In question number two, in first we just change the workbook theme to retrospect. Okay, and there is one condition: if a retrospect theme is not available on your computer, then the theme galleries click browse for theme and then select the theme retrospect themes from your download project. I have also told whole how can we can how can we get or how can we add that one in our computer, okay, if it is not available in our computer. Then in last part of question number 2 we have to select column E to H and then select column width 14. We have done. So question number 4 is question number 2 is done, and we have on 4 marks till now. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 3. Merge and center the title across the range E to H, E1 to H1. Okay, so first we have to select E1 to H1. Yes. Then click on home and there is merge and center option. Click on there. Next. Then apply title cell style. Now we have to apply title cell style. Cell style. There is title cell style. Then merge and center subtitle in the range E2 to H2. This one E2 to H2. Then make that merge and center. And then on that we have to apply heading 1 cell style. Okay, so cell style and there is heading 1 cell style. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3 we earn 8 marks. Okay, in question number 3 first we have to select E1 to H1 and then we have to make that merge and center. After that then we have to apply title cell style. Then in next word we have to select E2 to H2, then merge and center. Okay, then we have to apply heading 1 cell style. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Select 7 column titles. There is 7 column title. So first we have to select that one. Yes. Then apply center formatting, mean we have to make them in center. Okay, then apply heading for cell style. Okay, so question number 4 is done and we have earned 6 marks here. Okay, so in question number 4 we just select 7 columns title, then we apply center formatting and then apply the heading for cell style. Question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. So by using a quick analysis tool, sum the quarter 1 sale, then copy formula. Okay, so first we have to, by using quick analysis tool, we have to sum quarter 1 sale. This one, okay, here. So quick analysis mean we have to adding, there is auto sum option. Yeah, that is quick analysis tool option. Okay, then across the remaining quarters. Okay, now we have to pull that one to the remaining quarters. So this one, then quick analysis tool format total in bolds. Total in bolds. Okay, so question number 5 is done. In question number 5, after solving question number 5 we have earned 9 marks. So in question number 5, by using the quick analysis tools, we have to sum the quarter 1 sales, then copy the formula across for remaining quarters. The quick analysis tool formats total in bold. Okay, so question number 5 is done and we have our 9 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Select the northeast sales for fourth quarter. Northeast for fourth quarter. Select northeast sale. Okay, for fourth quarter. Then first we have to, for fourth quarter, we have to select all fours, okay, of northeast. Then display quick analysis gallery for total. Where is total? So we just simply click on there, and press enter. Sum. Okay. Then click second option, the sixth atom in the gallery, which display column section in yellow. Then copy formula down through F7. Done. Then recall that quick analysis tool, apply bold formatting to the sum. Now we have to apply there. First we have to select them, then make that bold. Okay. So question number 6 is done and we have earned there 7 marks. In question number 6, we just select the Northeast sales for 4 quarters, then display quick analysis gallery for totals, then click second option, the sixth atom in the gallery, which display the column section in yellow. Copy formula down through cell F7, then recall that quick analysis tool applies bold formatting to the sum. We have done and we get 7 marks here. So after solving question number 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. In question number 7, we have to apply accounting number format to first row for of sales figures and total row. And then we have to apply comma cell style or remaining sales figure. Then format the totals row 7 with total cell style. Okay. So in this way we will solve question number 7 and we will earn 6 marks same way. Okay, so same way we will solve question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 16 step by step. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 1G regional sales. In start we just discussed project description, then we move to a graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2 step by step. In question number 2 there are 3 parts. In first part we have to change the verbal theme to retrospect. If retrospect theme is not available on our computer, then we have to add that one. I have already mentioned how can we add that one. Then in last part we have to select column A to H and set column width to 14. Then in question number 3 we have to make margin center the title across E1 to H1, then make that title cell style, then select A2 to H2 and margin center. Then there we have to make heading 1 cell style. Then in question number 4 we have to select 7 title, apply center formatting, then apply heading 4 cell style. Same way we will solve question number 5, then we have solved question number 6. After that then we have discussed question number 7. So mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. The result will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 1 hour or maximum 30 to 40 minutes. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 1G regional sales We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.